Copy trading, a revolutionary concept in the world of trading and investing. Copy trading has transformed the landscape of trading and investing by making it easier than ever before to access the financial markets. This has empowered people from all around the world to tap into trading and investment opportunities. So, what is copy trading? Simply put, copy trading is a way to automatically copy the trades of other traders. It's a way of mimicking the trades they're making so you can make money from the markets when they do. What makes copy trading so popular? The top reasons are that everyone can copy trade. It's free, and you don't need any experience to get started. Another reason so many people are copy trading these days is because it's so much easier than traditional trading. To understand what that means, let's compare copy trading with traditional trading. With traditional trading, you have to do research, analyze the markets, know how to read charts correctly, understand risk management, execute orders and trades all on your own. With copy trading, you don't need to do any of that. You can start trading with a simple click of the button. Here's how it works. Log in to a secure and reliable copy trading platform. Then choose a trader whose investment strategy aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. You'll be asked to set your investment amount and a few other parameters. And that's it. Now that trader's moves will mirror directly in your own account. You can do that over and over again and follow multiple traders. The great thing about that is, by copying multiple traders with different strategies, you spread your risk across various assets and markets. And that's diversification made easy. Another key benefit of copy trading. If you're ready to start trading or want to take your trading skills to the next level, then give copy trading a try. Open an XM account and start copy trading for free today.